Hi guys, today we'll be talking about ranking factor. So I hope you are watching my previous videos that was on how search engine works and rank your content. So talking about ranking factors, there are several of ranking factors that are used for ranking your content, but we'll be talking about major ranking factors, that is authority, relevancy and user friendliness. Let's talk about authority. So let me take an example, and a user is searching something on search engine. Now how much authoritative and unique your content is defined as authority. So authoritative here means that the content is completely created by you yourself and it is being plagiarized. Second, I told about uniqueness. Everybody knows uniqueness, so it should be out of the box. It should be something different than your competitor. So, how to increase this authority? I recommend some easy steps. You can note it down. So, first of all, creating good backlinks, removing broken or bad links, auditing your website or your blog or your content page, and it should be followed by creating classy content. These are some things and some tips that you can use to enhance your content and to increase authority of your page. In the next video we'll be talking about other two ranking factors.